भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सभी नवनिर्वाचित विधायक इस बैठक में उपस्थित हुए। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय नड्डा जी ने मुझे और हमारे महामंत्री माननीय अरुण सिंह जी को यहाँ विधायक दल के नेता का चयन हो इस दायित्व को निर्वहन करने के लिए यहाँ भेजा हुआ है। विधायक दल की बैठक में मैं और अरुण सिंह जी उपस्थित हुए। पार्टी का प्रदेश अध्यक्ष सहित सभी नेतृत्व यहाँ मौजूद है, सभी विधायक यहाँ मौजूद हैं और हम सब लोगों ने निर्वाचन की प्रक्रिया प्रारंभ की। विधायक दल का नेता कौन हो इसके लिए प्रस्ताव आमंत्रित किए गए। हमारे अब तक जो राज्य का नेतृत्व कर रहे थे ऐसे सफलतम और सुशील नेता सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी, हमारे प्रदेश के अध्यक्ष आदरणीय रंजीत दास जी और हमारी नवनिर्वाचित विधायक बहन नंदिता जी, इन लोगों की ओर से नाम का प्रस्ताव भी हुआ और नाम का समर्थन भी हुआ। मैंने सभी विधायकों को बैठक में पूछा कि कोई और नाम आप सबके जहन में है, तो कोई अन्य नाम नहीं आया। जिन बंधुओं के मैंने नाम लिए उन तीनों लोगों ने हमारे सरकार में वरिष्ठ मंत्री के रूप में जिन्होंने अपने दायित्व का निर्वहन किया, ऐसे श्री हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा जी के नाम का प्रस्ताव विधायक दल के नेता के प्रस्ताव के अलावा कोई भी प्रस्ताव उपस्थित नहीं हुआ। इसलिए सर्वसम्मति से मैं पर्यवेक्षक के नाते विधायक दल की बैठक में आसाम राज्य भारतीय जनता पार्टी विधानमंडल नेता के रूप में श्री हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा को इस अवसर पर घोषित करता हूं। सभी विधायकों से अनुरोध है
So announcement that now has been made where Sarbananda Sonowal, who has proposed the name of Himanta Biswa Sarma for the leader of the legislative members there, and we were just listening to Narendra Singh Tomar, where Sarbananda Sonowal and other leaders that have proposed a name for the position, and all of the three leaders have given a single name, and that is of Himanta Biswa Sarma, who has now been elected as the next Chief Minister of Assam. He has now been elected as the BJP legislator party leader. Going across to Anirudh now. Anirudh, we saw the tweet also coming in of Sarbananda Sonowal stepping down as the Chief Minister of Assam. Himanta Biswa Sarma will now be taking over.
Yes, the stage is now all set for Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma to serve as the 15th Chief Minister of Assam. And this movement has been a really, overwhelming moment for all the supporters of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, particularly because for the last almost 1 week, everyone were waiting for this announcement to come officially that the name of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is announced as the next Minister of Assam, and now which Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar officially making the announcement himself in Guwahati. The stage is all set for Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma to take oath tomorrow as the Chief Minister of Assam. And with this, all eyes are also set on the current scenario because, for the last 1 week, there was a kind of leadership crisis in the state, even though Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma was actively monitoring the health scenario in the state, particularly. But the absence of government, even after the elections results were out, had made many people speculative and skeptical about the current situation. And with the name coming in now, all the speculations and the skeptics that were on for the last 1 week will gradually come down, and now there will be another rounds of meetings at the BJP legislative party room itself, wherein they will also take call on the formation of the cabinet and as well as other portfolios, distribution of portfolios to the other MLAs. And we are picking up that Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma will be taking oath as the 15th Chief Minister tomorrow at Srimanta Sankardev Kalakshetra, and BJP National President so likely to attend the oath-taking ceremony along with many other chief ministers of the northeastern region. Remember when Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma in fact went to file his nomination papers, and on that day also the state minister of had accompanied him along with the Minister Sarbanand Sonowal, and though there were certain, there were certain views on that there might be some rebellion or there might be some differences between the incumbent Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, clearing all the speculations right. It actually managed to set a clear precedent, as today it was Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal who actually proposed the name of Dr. Himanta Biswa, Chief Minister of the state. And with this, a clear message has also been sent.
Right, stay on with us, Anirudh. Stay on with us, Anirudh. Aishwarya Kapoor is with us. Let me also quickly get an update from him. Aishwarya, this is coming after the meetings that happened in Delhi when those two leaders were called to Delhi for a lengthy discussion with JP Nadda and Amit Shah. And today at the BJP Legislative Party meeting, Himanta Biswa Sarma has been elected unanimously.
Well, absolutely. And this is only after, let there be no doubt that both have been convinced. And there has to be a plan for Sarbanand Sonowal as well. And if sources are to believe, Sarbanand Sonowal will be basically taken into the national cabinet. And that announcement could also happen within the next 4 to 5 working days. But yes, Himanta Biswa Sarma is going to be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Assam, as the 15th Chief Minister of Assam, to be specific, tomorrow itself. Naren Singh Tomar, who's not only a central minister but also the minister in charge for the state of Assam, has just announced it. Himanta Biswa Sarma's name, as our colleague Aniruddha was just mentioning, has been proposed by Sarbanand Sonowal. So it very, very clearly suggests that coordination has been reached, that interconnectivity has been achieved. Both of them arrived in the same charter plane yesterday in the national capital. Both have met the BJP national president. Both had met the Home Minister and then the Prime Minister as well, according to our sources. And while in that meeting with the Home Minister, we are being told that this coordination came up to that last time it was Sarbanand Sonowal, and this time Sarbanand Sonowal will be given a very respectful position in the central cabinet, and in turn, Himanta Biswa Sarma will be the new Chief Minister of Assam. Yes, the way Himanta has worked not only in the state of Assam for Bharatiya Janata Party, but in the complete Northeast. He was also the chairperson of the Northeastern Development Board for the NDA, and that way, BJP understands that his clout is far outreaching than only limited to one state of Assam, and hence keeping that in mind, and the manner in which BJP feels that the party will strengthen further under the leadership of Himanta Biswa Sarma, and then Sarbanand Sonowal, who's also a very strong leader, will be taken into the national capital. So the people of Assam also understand that how important that very state and the people are for Government of India, and hence Sarbanand Sonowal could very well be taken, according to our sources, into the national capital. But as far as Himanta Biswa Sarma is concerned, he is going to be the 15th Chief Minister of Assam, and will be sworn in tomorrow. He has been unanimously chosen. In fact, his name was proposed by none other but Sarbanand Sonowal. So it suggests that there has been no division, as the opposition was basically claiming that there is a rift, there is a divide, that there can be divide within the BJP. So all of those accusations have been put to rest, because the name of Himanta Biswa Sarma was proposed by none other but the incumbent Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal, and now Sarbanand Sonowal, according to our sources, could very well be taken into the National Cabinet, but then Himanta Biswa Sarma to be sworn in tomorrow. Amita.